So, sir, right from the local to Rajdhani, we got to know how you traveled and how you have managed to get the things done. I want to understand during COVID-19 pandemic situation, trains are slowly starting. There are a lot of NGOs, people like Sonu Sood helping out outside migrants to get back to their hometown and stuff like that. So railways have recently started. And there are trains full of all these people, and there are many cases where there are active cases who are traveling back. I think so. So you will have to. I'm not sure if I am sure that railway is taking care that no active cases go, but still there is a chances of people getting sneaking in or you getting affected, because there are a lot of people boarding, unboarding. There are a lot of loading, downloading happens in terms of goods also. There is a section, I believe that there is a section which carries goods also in terms of supplies of COVID and stuff like that. So how do you get out of it, and how do you manage right from leaving your home to traveling, then coming back, and because you have been in this situation, being in a senior position, because in number of time I met you, and you are already coming back or going to the office. So please let people know what, because you are a corona warrior, you are a frontline corona warrior. Sorry for the skip, but how do you manage it, sir?
Sudesh, to tell you the truth, fear is there. 70-80 days it's been locked down. The fear is there. People get scared to come down till their garden, down, basement. But it's been now 55 days almost I've been working.
True.
So I've been not using my car and bike for long. So the battery is count off. So, and my home is at Mira Road, and my headquarters is at VT. So it's a bit long, 60 kilometers, like from, go through and come like. So what I did, I started walking from my home to the station. It's 3.5 kilometers on each line. And we have this only 3 special trains for railway.
And the local transport is also not there.
No local and no mail express trains. Only this 3.
Local transport for you to reach station is also not there.
No Ola, Uber.
True.
And my bike is not there.
True.
So I was walking till the station, and 3.5 kilometers. And then I used to take this special train for the for the railway workers.
Correct.
I used to reach Churchgate around 10 o'clock at night. And you must have seen Azad Maidan.
Correct.
Between Churchgate and VT, there is an Azad Maidan, a big place. So I walk from Churchgate to VT, another 3 kilometers, 2.5 kilometers.
Correct.
And it's pitch darkness. And then during COVID time, after 6 o'clock, there is nothing.
I know.
आपको गर्दुल्ले लोग मिलेंगे पूरे लेन में, पूरे रात को.
With all the drugs and all drugs and all on the streets.
But as I said to you, there is always, life will give you either this side or be that side.
True.
You cannot always stay in the fear zone.
True.
You cannot. Either you are dying every day,
correct,
or you die once. I prefer to die once. I am taking my precaution, whatever I could do. So, and the railways need me at this point of time. But yeah, the fear is there, the family. So I start walking from Churchgate to VT, and I reach around 11 o'clock at 11 o'clock at night at VT, and my COVID special starts at 11:55.
Okay.
That is only carrying COVID essentials to the different parts of the country.
Okay.
And during this entire 70 days, you must be eating this food, khana, chawal, pani, dal, everything is there. It's coming down to your basement. लोग लेके आते हैं. But do you know ये आता कहाँ से है? ये पूरा ऑपरेशन गुड्स का चल रहा है रात को. Between 1 o'clock and रात के 6 बजे तक, सुबह 6 बजे तक, पूरे containers rake and goods trains are taking essential items to all over the country. चावल, गेहूं जा रहा है, हरियाणा और पंजाब से नीचे नीचे की तरफ, चावल जा रहा ऊपर की तरफ, and in between this COVID essentials are going on. So drivers and guards
high risk.
we need this time. You have to run the train. You have to take people. And अभी जब से ये श्रमिक लोगों का है जो these people, those who are laborers, they stayed for 60-70 days inside a room. 5x5 के रूम में 10 आदमी. It's very difficult. Mentally it is depressing. अपने पास एक रूम है, like you can spread out. But जो आदमी 5x5 के कमरे में रह रहा है 10 लोग looking at each other. There are ladies inside the home, 5 people, 5 girls. There are so many things, mental, psychological, physical thing going on. So there has to come a time when it has to be, lockdown has to start, unlock has to be done. So yeah, I took a chance. Even my family was very frustrated when I got a call from the railway that you have to report. So it was very scary, but I took a decision. I'd always wanted to do something for my nation. आज़ादी के टाइम में अपन लोग पैदा नहीं हुए थे. अपन ने सुना है सुभाष चंद्र बोस का नाम, महात्मा गांधी, नेहरू, all the Bhagat Singh, we had heard, Rani Lakshmibai. But अपने टाइम में what we did for our country.
True.
If I give you a list, you will give 100 things जो सही नहीं हो रहा. रोड सही नहीं है, पानी नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट ऐसी है, 100 things. But as a person, what have you done for the country? So I thought this is my chance. If I die today, gum nahi. So I walked on the train. I went till Igatpuri. I went till Pune, means Lonavala. That's the last spot right now for us. And it takes 16, 20, 30 hours by the time I return back. So yeah, walking 7 kilometers a day, carrying 7 kgs of bag, 2 bags, only one water only, and then the other bag. There are pickup facilities, but even the pickup facility people are very scared to come at this time. They don't come. If I become adamant that I need a pickup facility only, then only I will come for work. I can do that. But I didn't went for that. I said I'll walk it. I won't die.
But you don't walk alone. I mean, I think you carry a lot of essentials with you also.
Yeah.
You have so many kilometers if you're traveling.
4 kgs of just water and Red Bull and stuff, eating stuff, and that 3 kgs of my bag, my personal bag.
7 kgs.
So it's 7 kgs. So that's why my staff always says when I reach VT, कि पूरा पसीने से आप, I'm literally, because it's highly humidity also,
Correct.
And carrying 7 kgs of bag and walking 7 kilometers. I've been working on the treadmill, but walking on the treadmill and walking on the road with the leather shoes, it's not that good.
The groceries you take and bring it to your building, you are also to and fro.
I thought it was, मुझे मौका मिला लाइफ में कुछ देश के लिए करने का. Small, one bit. Sonu Sood has done a amazing thing.
Fantastic job.
To arrange to people to take them to their home. I really salute him.
God has blessed him with that thing, and the best thing is he has a vision, at least to a thought process to help people. There are a lot of people with a lot of money, but they don't have that thing in them, and he is doing it. And likewise, Corona warriors are very specific, like railways, police, nurses, doctors. Not a MD of a company is being rated right now. These are the only few categories, and we salute Indian Railways for this. And everyone who is working towards.
I salute especially for the doctors, nurses, and especially police people.
Absolutely.
And the BMC, Safai Walas. All this life you had been blaming the government. Correct. All your life. You talk to any person. ये चोर है, ये government का आदमी चोर है, चोर है, चोर है, चोर है.
Correct.
If you see the 70-80 days when the whole world was locked down.
Correct.
BMC का कचरा वाला आता था आपके लिए. पुलिस वाले ऐसे ड्यूटी करते रहे. It is not difficult. It's very difficult to manage. अपने घर में एक बीवी है, बच्चे हैं, 2 बच्चे हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, 4 people, 5 people max. But to manage a country of 1.3 billion people, to say something and do something is very different. लोग रूल फॉलो करते नहीं हैं. एक दिन बियर खुला, वाइन का शॉप खुला, people just bought it like mad. The social distancing went. हमने एक दिन लोकल चालू किया just to see. It was no social distance. ये तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So it's very difficult to tell something and do something. I salute the Prime Minister. I'm not going about like BJP or Congress or something like that. But मैंने कहा ना, आप अपने घर को मैनेज करते करते आपके बाल सफेद हो जाते हैं.
True.
But to manage a country of 130 lakh people is huge. So I salute really the people, those who, the entire country people, those government people, those who did the doctors, the nurses. कौन जाएगा कोविड पेशेंट के सामने? 18 कोविड पेशेंट के बीच में कौन रह के नर्स काम करेगी? Which doctor will work? Which police wala will stand the whole night? Which railway wala will work the whole night? So I really appreciate whatever the government has done, and the people, the corona warriors have especially done.
Big shout out for railways too. Never to forget.
Yes.
That's the lifeline of India.
True.
And yeah, thanks to all the railway.
Thank you.